Hello and welcome to today's English session. Sit back, relax and listen carefully. Ready? Let's begin. After watching this 10-minute video, you'll be able to use 50 real English phrases in your daily life like a pro. And at the end, I'll give you a simple but powerful tip that helps thousands of learners speak English more confidently. Ready? Let's go. Let's learn morning routine phrases. Good morning used to greet someone in the morning. Good morning, Mom. How did you sleep? Means ask about someone's sleep. How did you sleep last night? I slept like a baby means slept very well. I slept like a baby after that long trip. I had trouble falling asleep means couldn't sleep easily. Too much coffee. I had trouble falling asleep. Let me freshen up. I want to wash or clean myself. Give me 5 minutes, let me freshen up. I'll grab a quick shower. Take a fast shower. I'll grab a quick shower before breakfast. What's for breakfast? Asking what's to eat. I'm hungry. What's for breakfast? I'm starving. I'm very hungry. Let's eat. I'm starving. Let's make some coffee. Suggest making coffee. It's cold. Let's make some coffee. We're running late. We're behind schedule. Hurry up. We're running late. Part 2. Work-study phrases. It's hectic these days. Life is busy. Work is hectic these days. I have back-to-back meetings. Meetings one after another. I can't relax. I have back-to-back meetings. I need to meet a deadline. Finish work on time. I'm working late. I need to meet a deadline. Let's circle back on that. Talk about it again later. Busy now. Let's circle back later. Can we reschedule means change the time. I'm sick. Can we reschedule? I'm working from home means doing job at home. No commute today. I'm working from home. Let's take a break means pause for rest. We've worked enough. Let's take a break. I'll get back to you means I'll reply later. I don't know yet. I'll get back to you. I'm swamped with work means very busy. Sorry, I'm swamped with work. That sounds like a plan, means I agree with the idea. Lunch at 1, that sounds like a plan. Now let's learn some social talk phrases. Sounds good, agree casually. Pizza for dinner, sounds good. I'm in means I agree or want to join. Movie tonight, I'm in. Let's grab some coffee. Suggest meeting. Free later? Let's grab some coffee. It's on me means I'll pay. Lunch, it's on me. Long time no see means haven't seen you in a while. Wow, long time no see. What's new with you means ask what's happening. How are you? What's new with you? Same old means nothing new. Nothing much, same old. That's awesome means that's great. You got the job? That's awesome. I'm happy for you. Means and congratulate. You're getting married? I'm happy for you. Keep in touch. Saying don't lose contact. Moving away. Keep in touch. Let's learn some of shopping errands. I'm just browsing. Mean just looking, not buying. Thanks, I'm just browsing. How much is this? Means ask the price. Excuse me, how much is this? It's too expensive. Mean costs too much. I like it, but it's too expensive. Do you have this in medium? Mean ask for another size. This is large. Do you have it in medium? Can I try this on? Means try clothes before buying. Nice shirt. Can I try this on? I'll take it. Means I want to buy it. Perfect. I'll take it. Do you accept cards? Means ask payment options. No cash. Do you accept cards? Can I get a receipt? Means ask for bill copy. Yes, can I get a receipt, please? Let's split the bill means divide the cost. Dinner was great, let's split the bill. It's a great deal means good value. Only 500 rupees for 2 shirts, it's a great deal. Now let's learn some common expressions. I'm on my way, I'm coming. Leaving now, I'm on my way. Just a minute. Wait a little. Just a minute, I'm coming. I'm feeling under the weather. Not feeling well. I'm staying in, feeling under the weather. Take care. goodbye with care. Bye, take care. Don't worry about it, saying it's okay. Sorry, saying don't worry about it. That makes sense, means I understand now. Oh, now that makes sense. Let me know, means and tell me. Let me know when you're free. What do you think? Ask opinion. Here's my idea. What do you think? I totally agree. Full agreement. You're right, I totally agree. See you soon. Goodbye. Bye. See you soon. Here's your bonus tip. Practice one small conversation every day using these phrases. You'll build confidence without even realizing it. Speak out loud. Speak alone if needed, but speak daily. Like this video if it helped you. Comment with your favorite phrase below and subscribe for more daily English videos.